Hello and thanks for joining us for another edition of the show that keeps you in touch with our culture. On today's Arts page, we bring you highlights of a concert held in honor of a cultural icon. This man for all seasons popularized Burr Nancy, often performed with another cultural treasure, and was a theatrical genius. Still thinking who it is? Here's another clue. He was a Jamaican by way of Panama, so a lot of us called him the Color Man. All right, let me end the suspense. It's the indomitable Randolph Samuel Williams, or Ranny Williams. Maas Ran, him same one. On Sunday, October 26, the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission staged a tribute concert for Maas Ran at the venue named in his honor on Hope Road in Kingston. Held on what would have been his 102nd birthday, the concert celebrated his life and work by way of musical performances, dramatic presentations, and an exhibition.
Well, when you hear Maas Ran, people also say Miss Lou, but we want persons just to focus on Maas Ran himself. And he describe him as a man for all seasons. He has done it all. He's a dramatist, a comedian, an actor, and so he has taken his craft from performing in schoolrooms to the theater to film, and so young people can be inspired by his life and his work.
Though the venue was scant, it didn't stop those present from enjoying the stellar entertainment provided by children and adults.
He looked out for roots and we culture. He was an actor, director, and instructor.
Ranny was a comedian, one of the strongest, proudest black man.
Ranny believed that the show must go on. This was his philosophy from the day he was born, and he lived it till the day he gone.
Was a veteran, but the stage a better man. We had to honor him, order of distinction. Honor him, order of distinction. Died in Toronto, returned to the homeland. Blessed strong to Ranny Williams. Hold up on your victory. Hold up on your victory. Hold up on your victory. Victory in Jesus. Victory in Jesus. Hold up on your victory.
If you see me wink my eye, two wenches passing by. Though a wench is passing by, is not she. Is who? Is you. Patron.
Come, let us go to the land of love, where the love light shines so bright above. We will be so happy and free. All your pain won't let you be. You're gonna find that love is real, and by the feeling you feel.
And even as those present were entertained, they also left with invaluable information about Maas Ran and his contribution to the development of Jamaican culture. Moderator Amina Blackwood Meeks shared Brother Anansi stories, which Maas Ran promoted.
You want to learn Anansi River song? Yes. I was rafting on the Rio Grande, oh, you have to raft, man, come. Me and me Uncle Benji, we buck up on one big rock stone and the raft on over. Ho, 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 ho.
And actor VOLIER Johnson reflected on Maas Ran's influence, tenacity, and his commitment to his craft, having gone to perform in a play in Toronto, Canada, shortly after having his foot amputated.
But Maas Ran was a great man. And I think his work will live on, and I will forever remember it.
All in all, patrons left the Ranny Williams Entertainment Complex with a great appreciation for the man and his legacy.
He's a great storyteller, and there's an art in storytelling, so I believe that we have lost some of that, and we need to keep that going, you know? Yes, for the younger ones.
Jamaicans are very talented, and not only Maasran was, and if we don't capture these types of things, we can really lose a lot.
I learned a few things well about Maas running, the value and the richness of our culture, and how important it is to preserve as much of it as possible, and how blessed we are as a people because of the uniqueness of this priceless possession of culture.
If you missed out on the Ranny Williams concert and need more information on this great man, visit the National Library of Jamaica's website, nlj.gov.jm. Catch you next time on The Arts Page.